I hate it. Another inventory shortage. Now I have to pay for all this from my tips.
Has this happened to you? Do you work in a bar and struggle to manage the inventory? In this video, let us see how you can reduce the shortage and keep a track of the stock in hand. But before that, if you have not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and subscribe. We make training videos for people working in hotels. These videos will help you learn and progress in your career in a hotel. Do not worry, let me tell you how to manage the inventory. First things first, do not give the key to the bar to any unauthorized person. Restrict the entry to the liquor stores to only a few people. If you work in shift, make sure you give a handover to the next shift so that you can track the variance immediately and make amends.
But there are so many bottles. How do we do inventory daily?
It may be difficult, but needs to be done to reduce the pilferage and variance. That will help you to account for all consumption as well. The main problem areas are cocktails. You must ensure that you follow the recipe and use peg measure to accurately measure the pour.
Okay, I know that. It is an area that needs to be fixed. I do not follow the recipe sometimes.
Fix it then. And if you do not find any valid reason for the shortage, inform your manager. Your manager should be able to help you with putting systems in place.
Okay, got it. Restrict entry to the liquor store. Ensure proper handover. Do inventory daily. Make cocktails using standard recipes and use the right peg measure. If nothing works, inform the bar manager.
Good. I can see that you are ready to try it out. Let me know how it goes. Now if you want to learn about some cocktails and standard recipes, watch the playlist on cocktails recipes. Since you work in the bar and have watched to here, I am sure the 7 steps to great beverage service might interest you. This is a series of 7 videos that can help you get your service right in the bar and improve revenue. And if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, go ahead and do that. I will see you in the next video.